Guys, this is Beth from Shades of Development, out of school time, Fort Sanders. And today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade bingo game. Very simple, very easy. What worked the best for me, if you have a computer and happen to have a printer, I got a template, a bingo template. If you don't, it's okay. You can just find something maybe on your phone and just copy it, free do it by hand. But what I did was I took a piece of construction paper, traced this onto it, got a ruler, made the lines, and then here is my finished product. I put in my own lettering and I put in free space, and I used stickers. And I think that all of us have stickers at home that have kids. So that's what I used. And I think this is a fun way. Also, some of these stickers, they're simple to read, like great, swell, nice, cool, super. And I think it's just a fun way to engage with the family. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you do get a chance to make this. And please remember to stay healthy and safe. Thank you.